Ever feel like the food is in control and not you?
Are cravings getting the best of you?
Are you low on energy?
Or do you just want to feel better?
We get it. We do. We get it.
So this September, we're going to flip that script for you and empower you to take charge of your own health.
It's a whole 30 experience like no other.
Welcome to the whole shebang.
All 3 phases of Whole 30 in depth.
In one group setting.
It's gonna be special.
With 4 experienced coaches.
4 coaches.
Christy.
Suzanne.
Hazel.
And we've got our advanced coach.
Debbie. I live in this RV.
From Florida
To the UK.
We'll get you prepped with everything you need for your 30-day elimination.
Then it's 30 days of whole foods.
Delicious new recipes.
and how-to hacks during your elimination.
We're also going to emphasize your structured reintroduction.
Because we know you came here for answers.
And we're going to make sure that you get them.
And finally, we'll lead you to the phase where you put all those answers into action.
Food freedom.
Food freedom.
Food freedom.
Food freedom.
Food freedom, where you finally take control.
And who doesn't love freedom?
It's a collective group experience.
With Zooms.
Discounts?
Resources.
A private online group.
It's not Facebook. It's not Facebook.
Giveaways.
And our special deep dives that go way beyond the food on your plate.
We go around your world for 80 days.
For the whole shebang.
Prep starts August 25th.
We cannot wait. We are so excited to be alongside you for a journey that will change your life.
And your relationship with food.
See you there.
See you there.
See you there.
See you there.